A warm welcome to AI Systems Institute of Information Technology, Pune. I'm Mr. Shashikant R. Kale as Assistant Professor in Department of Instrumentation Engineering. Today we are going to see a session on Piping and Instrumentation Diagram, mostly called as P&ID or pronounced as P&ID. Okay, this P&ID is one of the documentation for the project management, and detailed graphical representation of the process includes the hardware and software, that is piping, equipment, and instruments necessary to design, construct, and operate the facility. Common synonyms for P&ID includes engineering flow diagram, utility flow diagram, and mechanical flow diagram. This is one of the most important documents for the project management. Generally, P&ID of a plant is looking like this. This is a P&ID of the distillation column pilot plant, where all the equipments installed are shown by various standards and symbology designed accordingly. While showing the instrument symbology, the instrument which is mounted on the field is shown by a circle. Instrument can be a sensor or final control element. Instrument which are mounted on a panel and which are invisible are shown like this. Sometimes the instrument installed on the panel inside the panel, so they are not visible to the people. So that is shown by this symbol. Sometimes instruments are a function in the distributed control system DCS or programmable logic control PLC. At time that instrument is shown like this. Okay, in instrumentation symbology, see the temperature indicator is shown like this. Temperature transmitter is shown. And these are actually a field mounted instruments. Okay, these are the instruments which are on the panel. Say for example, level transmitter, level recorder, and numbers are given according to the loop in which it is available. So P stands for pressure, F stands for flow, T stands for temperature, L stands for level, and next alphabet, R stands for recorder, C stands for controller, I stands for indicator. Like this, we are giving the symbology. So for example, pressure recording as well as controlling is available in the loop number 40. So it is shown like this PRC, and this is available on the panel FIC. So this is variable behind the measured, means it is a flow. What does it do? It is indicating. So I, and what instrument is doing? It is controlling. So FIC, and it is available on the remote location and board mounted, not a field mounted, and it is having a control loop number 55. So remote location behind control panel is shown like this. Remote location on control panel shown like this, and on the field is shown like this, and which variable is there, that is written inside this particular circle, this type of circle. Okay, we already have seen FC stands for flow controller, FI stands for flow indicator. If it is a level gauge, then it is shown level as a parameter and gauge here G. FIC stands for flow indicator, and accordingly you can write the various standard names to various parameters or instruments. Okay, lines are shown like this. Instrument supply line or connection to the process. Lines in the process are shown like this straight line. Undefined signal, if any available, then shown like this crossing line. after equal interval of distance. Pneumatic lines are shown by double crossing lines. Pneumatic zones are mostly preferred with a dotted line, sometimes like this also. Hydraulic lines, capillary tube is shown like this. Electromagnetic signals are shown like this line, and in that some waves are there. Okay, this is a guided wave signal, electromagnetic guided wave. Non-guided waves are shown like this. Okay, like this you can draw a different lines in order to draw the P&Id diagrams. Thank you for attending a session very patiently. Thank you very much.